So I recently watched a YouTube podcast by Frank Zanu, and he made an excellent observation. And he said that the role of the government is not to create jobs, but the role of government is to act as a referee. And I think that's one of the biggest mindset shifts South Africa needs right now. You see, a referee doesn't score goals. A referee creates the environment where the game can happen fairly. They enforce the rules. They make sure there's order, but the players are the ones who actually play the game. Yet so many people are waiting for government to create opportunities, build businesses for them, or somehow rescue them financially. Me, as somebody who's been working in SME development for the past 18 years, I see this mindset often. Entrepreneurs wait for funding before they find customers. They wait for support before they validate the idea. They wait for opportunities instead of creating them. But real economic growth comes from entrepreneurs. It comes from people willing to build, innovate, take risks, and create value. So while government can help create the environment, it's actually the businesses and the citizens that move the economy forward. The government is the referee. I really like that.